Welding Techniques program is a one-year certificate designed to build real job-ready welding skills through hands-on training. You're training in the state-of-the-art welding lab with 26 stations, along with virtual welding simulations to help you refine your technique before applying it to the shop. Throughout the program, you'll develop skills across multiple welding processes, including shielded metal arc, gas metal arc, gas tungsten arc welding, along with cutting and fabrication. You'll also learn how to read blueprints and assess the weld quality to meet industrial standards. By the end of this program, you will have hands-on experience across multiple welding processes and meet the skills to meet entry-level industrial expectations.
I didn't realize how technical welding actually is until I got here. You're not just welding, you're learning different processes, working with different metals, and constantly improving your technique. The shop time is where everything clicks. You're practicing, getting feedback, and seeing real progress. It's intense, but you leave each class knowing you're getting better.
If you're serious about becoming a welder, this program gives you hands-on training across multiple welding processes, real shop experience, and the opportunity to prove your skills against industry standards, so you're ready to step into fabrication, manufacturing, or apprenticeship roles with confidence.